Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Luke here over Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Taking a look at what just came in. And if you've watched some previous videos of mine, you know that I love Cedar Creeks. We got ourselves a 2019 Cedar Creek 37 MBH. MBH is a mid-bunk. So if you have a couple of spoiled brats like I do, this is the unit for you. They're gonna live in some luxury, and so are you. All right, frameless windows. We're gonna power awning with LED lights in there. Take a look, 3 slides over on this side. This being the rear living room. Here's the mid-bunk and the bedroom. Take a look at the wet bay. Here's your power cord. What do we got here? Yep, 2 batteries. Hydraulic system for your automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Nothing but the best with Cedar Creek. Beautiful fiberglass cap, LED light, outside speakers. Wowzers. These solid steps are spring loaded, so they go in and out real easy. Now, if you think the outside looks good, let's go take a look inside. All right, walking into the mid-bunk Cedar Creek. Close this door. Voila. Oh, where do we start? Okay, how about here? This table does extend, and these chairs do have storage. Just want to point out that this has never been cleaned by us because we just received it this morning, and it's in good shape. It looks good. Power recliners. There we go. Extra large sofa in the back that does turn into a bed. Look at the cabinet work. Love it. That TV is a minimum 50 inches. We got a fireplace. We got the sound bar, stereo. Love that center island. So this does have an oven, 3-burner stove, a Whirlpool microwave. Those are stainless steel sinks underneath those covers. Residential style fridge. It's fairly clean, I like. Oh, of course we have an ice maker. Gonna like that. Oh, let's take a look at the pantry. Whoa. Nice wood. Cedar Creek, you do a great job with your woodwork, that's for sure. Okay, barn style door here to where? That's right, the mid-bunk. So that turns into a bed. Walking in. There's a great spot for a TV. Lots of storage. Gotta like this. I can see kids hanging out in here, no doubt. Okay, let's keep going. Right here in the hallway. There's your coat hook, power controls, whoops. Press that button, there we go. We are pre-wired for a solar panel. Your central vacuum system is right there. And because this has a mid-bunk, we got ourselves a loft. Another great window here in the hallway. That is a porcelain toilet. Got a 2-piece bath. Or shower, sorry. Medicine cabinet. Hard surface countertop. Lovely seat right there. Skylight. Again, nice and clean. Of course, we're gonna clean it, make it even look better. Master bedroom up next. Fantastic. We got windows up on opposing sides for cross ventilation. Got a little bit of an indent here for more storage or anything you'd like to put up. TV. And going into the front closet, you got the vacuum hoses right there for your central vacuum system. Great spot for a bunch of shoes. And take a look at this. We are prepped for a washer and dryer. All right, so if you want to spoil yourself and spoil those kids for your next camping trip, come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. That's Pine Acres. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.